server into PC, and what are the use cases you can have. So first, this is with the home page for Oculus. You can explore the applications and like all the internet usage inside Oculus here. For connecting PC, you to go to your Quest link. You can connect through Wi-Fi with this Quest link option. You can enable it. Otherwise, you can have wired connection. So you have to open this rift. So your PC will be connected now. You will be having one screen. This will be the environment of your desktop. You can use all the application from your Quest link application, Quest or maybe Meta now. Then you can have your desktop views here. Like you can use both the desktops. This desktop you can use for like your PDF is folding movies. You can watch inside this environment. You can place anywhere you want. You can give custom locations to these screens. You can use for any purpose, whatever you want, like for office purpose, personal use, browsing, movie, anything. These are the apps I have downloaded. So I'll open the Google Earth here. So Google Earth VR will be opening soon. In this application you will have different 3D environment of like different places. You will be having inside menu. You can visit any place on Google Earth. So the starting window will be like this. All the instruction will be there in the controllers. So you can change the timing of the day. You can change the place, location. You can fly to any place like by this trigger button. You can change the timing of the day. Okay, you can make night, day, anytime, any place you want. Okay, and this will be the city. Not every single city will be having a 3D map, but only selected city will be having. But it will be having a good quality photorealistic 3D maps. You can fly, you can zoom around, you can pan around, you can tilt the everything will be, every option will be available on your controller. You will be seeing here that I am flying through this channel. Any place. Okay, this is stadium I am seeing. Okay, I'll try to go inside this. Okay, yeah, here. Now little bit more. Okay, now if you want to change anything, like how this will look exactly like in real life, this will be like this only. It is they have taken generated data, local imaginary. Okay, you can change it to night, sky, evening, sunset, early morning you want. Okay, you can see the stars and everything. Okay, if you go to Mount Everest or places there, from menu you can access, and the this menu you can access like this Rio de Janeiro, other places like Mount Everest you can visit. It will be there. It will be Google's headquarters. Yeah, you can visit places all around the globe, and even if you want to see your location on globe, so on the right hand side you will be seeing one globe now that you can change. 360-degree view you can have normal clear photo 360-degree. This will be the globe. Suppose South Africa, this just one application. You can have multiple application inside Quest, or maybe you can connect to PC. You can have various applications, various 3D experience, anything. Yeah, that's it for now.